Helo bawb, Paul sy'n yma, Gadeirydd Clwb Pêl-droed Tref Caernarfon. Mae gen i un i ddau negeseuon i rhannu efo chi mewn 2 funud, ond cyn neud hynna dwi isio dymuno pob lwc a iechyd da i bawb sy'n cysylltiedig â'r clwb. Hynny yw yr cefnogwyr, yr noddwyr, y chwaraewyr i gyd o'r academi i fyny, ac a pob yn yr dref ac yn yr ardal. Edrychwch ar ôl eich hunan a cadwch yn saff, plis. Da ni edrych ymlaen i weld chi nôl yn yr ofal yn ei tuan, ond hyd at hynna, plis gofalwch am eich hunan. It's Paul here, interim chairman of Caernarfon Town Football Club. I have a few messages to pass on to you, which I'll share in a minute, but before doing that, I just want to wish you all good health and good luck over the coming weeks and months. That includes all our supporters, our sponsors, all the players from the academy up and the management team, and everybody in the town and in the area. Please look after yourself. Take the advice the government has issued, and please take care. And we're all really looking forward to seeing you back at the Oval, but until the time is right for us to do so, then good luck and take care. Now I'm going to pass you over to a few familiar faces. Good luck.
Hiya guys, just a quick message from Rambo. Hope you're all keeping safe and well. As you can see, I'm training hard here. The only advantage of not obviously playing for Caernarfon is staying well away from Gazed and ugly Jamie Crader. If you're bored, type in Scorio, you can see many of my man of the match performances. Take care, stay safe, wash your hands.
Swn licio dymuno pob lwc i holl cefnogwyr, noddwyr a gwirfoddolwyr sydd yn gysylltiedig efo'r clwb. Gobeithio nhw'ch chi gyd aros yn saff wan, a da ni edrych ymlaen i weld chi nôl ar ofal pan mae'r amser yn iawn.
Just a quick message from myself to everyone connected with the club. Hope everyone's okay, obviously during these uncertain times. I'm pretty sure if we stick to the guidelines set out, we'll be back at the Oval playing football very soon. So take care.
Helo, jyst negas bach i ddeud, wel, i gobeithio bod pawb yn iawn a yn cadw'n saff yn yr amser yma. Mae'n reit rhyfedd heb ffwtbol i gyd, dwi'n siŵr, ond pwysigrwydd ydy i bod pawb yn iawn, pawb yn saff, so dwi'n gobeithio nawn ni gyd weld chi fuan a gobeithio bod y cofio am i gyd yn iawn.
This is the message for the coffee army.
Correct. Okay. We hope you are all looking after yourselves, guys, in this challenging climate that we're in at this moment in time. We need everybody to listen to public health, don't we, Mila?
Yeah, we do.
We need everybody to stay at home, don't we?
Yeah, we do. Because we don't want ourselves outside.
We don't want ourselves outside now. What do we need everyone to do with their hands?
Wash them.
Yeah, we need everyone to wash their hands. We do not want anyone to panic buy, do we? Okay, so please do not stockpile food, okay? Because we can't get any eggs, potatoes. What else can't we get? Toilet roll.
No, we can't. Because we've got some toilet roll.
We haven't got any toilet roll, but, you know, Mila's using her socks. Look after each other, look after the elderly, look after the vulnerable. And we're all going to get through this together. We've got a lot to look forward to. Welsh Cup semi-final. We've got a European playoff to look forward to, and we're just desperate to get back out there. But if everybody does their bit, that will happen sooner rather than later. Shout up the coffees.
Up the coffees.
Up the coffees, okay. Love to everybody. Take care.
So mai, neges ydyn y cofio am i gobeithio bod pobl yn cadw yn saff trwy'r amser caled yma. A gobeithio bod ni gyd yn gweld chi nôl yn yr ofal yn fuan iawn pryd mae hyn i gyd drosodd o fo. Cymrwch ofal. Ginger Pelly.
Hello to everyone at Caernarfon Town Football Club, all the Covey Army. It's a Saturday evening, Saturday afternoon. I'm bored out of my mind, so I thought I'd come for a quick run. missing training, missing match days, obviously. Only thing I'm not missing is Fish. Get a nice break from him for a few weeks or a month. I thought I'd take a jog around the second best castle in North Wales. But I hope everyone's staying safe, healthy, and we'll see you very soon. Take care.
Helo, Rai Williams yma, jyst isio dymuno i chi dair cofio am I gyd, I sponsors y clwb ac I pawb sy'n rhan o'r clwb yn ganol yr adeg calon ma da ni gael ar y funud. Dwi'n gobeithio bod pawb yn ac yn edrych ar ôl i'ch gilydd a'ch teuluoedd. Yn gobeithio bod yn ôl ar yr ofal yr reit fuan. In the meantime, cyfyrwch ofal, cadwch y saff.
I'd just like to wish everyone associated with Carnarvon Town Football Club all the very best over the coming weeks. As a group of fans, volunteers, sponsors of the football club, you've offered us unbelievable support this year. As a group of players, we'd like to offer that support back. If you need to talk about anything over what's going to be a difficult period, you're more than welcome to contact us via our social media. Hopefully everybody takes care and we'll be back out on that football pitch very soon.
Jyst neges bach I gyd yn amser caled mae pawb ni gyd yn aros I fewn. Dim pêl-droed y pethau fel yna. Gobeithio bod chi'n da, edrych ar ôl I gilydd ac gobeithio bydd ni'n nôl ati cyn bo hir. Ond cabl ysbri I fyny ac fel ti'n dweud, mae'n anodd ar y funud, ond siw blaen ni'n dod trwy a lot gryfach fel teulu a pethau fel yna I chi gyd. Gobeithio da, dymuno da. Hwyl chi rwan, diolch.
Go. Hi everybody, Turds here, just checking in. I just want to make sure that everyone is okay during the current pandemic, making sure that everyone is following the national guidelines in washing your hands regularly, catching your sneezes and your coughs, and making sure you are social distancing. I myself am under self-isolation. I have been since last Wednesday, just under the sort of guidance, like really of my work due to my health problem, due to my heart problem. So it can be a little bit of a pain sometimes. You know, as you can see, the dogs are falling asleep because my banter's, well, it basically just got boring with them, to be honest. But no, just making sure we're checking in with everyone, especially the Covey Army. You know, I'm missing football just as much as the next person, but when it comes to a worldwide pandemic such as this, football is a very poor second, unfortunately. So make sure you look after yourselves, make sure you look after your loved ones. My phone's on. If anyone wants to chat during this time, probably not, like, to be fair, I'll probably get pied, but yeah, we'll wait and see. But you know, make sure we're following the guidelines, guys. We'll come out of this. You know, we'll have a right jolly up at the end of this, like, to be fair. And you know, if everyone's, you know, like I said, following the guidelines itself, it'll be worldy, and we'll make sure we come out of this rosy. So take care of yourselves and hopefully see you soon.